Welcome back. If you have had to help an elderly relative find a doctor, you probably know what a frustrating experience that can be. Many doctors will not take on new Medicare patients, but there is a new push to make it easier for our seniors to get care. Joining us now is Dr. Jim Donovan from St. David's Senior Care Facility, and that is a new facility aimed at seniors. Dr. Donovan, I want to thank you for being here today. First off, can you talk to us a little bit about why it is so hard for so many seniors to find a doctor in the first place?
Well, thanks for having me. I think more and more seniors are having trouble finding care, and they're having trouble finding care because physicians are leaving Medicare. They're leaving Medicare in droves, and even those that are taking Medicare patients sometimes don't take new patients.
Right. So you guys just opened last month. We were talking a little bit earlier. It's going well so far, you said. Talk to me a little bit about what the last month has been like for you guys.
Well, obviously this is a startup, so this is new for us, but we've opened these kinds of offices before. And so the reality is we've done very, very well. We're seeing patients, we have a physician in place, we have plenty of office space, and the important thing I think for us is that we have capacity.
Right.
So we want people to know that this office is there and that we are seeing patients.
Dr. Donovan, tell me how this clinic is different from a typical clinic that we would go to.
Well, obviously this is for seniors. We know that this is a problem. We've heard from our doctors in the community that this was an issue for their patients. Finding care was a problem. So we want to reserve this place and this time for our seniors and for our Medicare beneficiaries.
So why can you guys take these folks that other doctors cannot?
It's a great question. And the reality is that this is a situation in which our doctors are collaborating with the health system to bring the resources that both of those have into the arena to deliver care for our seniors.
It is such a frustrating experience. We know we've heard from a lot of people. A lot of us have had experience with it personally, certainly with parents and grandparents. I want to know from you, a lot of people obviously live outside of the range of this clinic, but who can come? And do you feel like this is going to be something that's expanding across the area?
We want to reserve those times and those spaces for our seniors. So we have designated this as a senior clinic, a Medicare clinic, and we want that to happen. So first of all, the answer is our Medicare beneficiaries. Those are the folks that we want to see. We hope to be able to expand this. This obviously, I don't want you to get the wrong idea. This is a risk. But what we know is that this is a community need. We know that we need to deliver this kind of care, and our hope is as we gain from this experience, we'll be able to deliver and develop these clinics throughout the Austin area.
Dr. Donovan, thank you. I want to put up some information right now about how people can learn more about this. This is the location for the St. David's Senior Care. It is located at 4316 James Casey. That's Building B, Suite 101. You can call 912-9005 for more information about that as well. Dr. Donovan, thank you so much for being here today. We really do appreciate it.
Thanks so much for having me.
Have a wonderful holiday.